Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. It's day 21 of the 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, and today's sketch is from Tara van Morsel, and it's a really cool sketch. I love how simple it is. Like, you could get away with a couple of pieces of patterned paper, use both sides, just in strips. So cool. Alright, so what am I doing? I'm doing these two photos. I've already mounted them, and they are of me and the kids at, I think it was the, I don't know what it's called, museum in Sydney opposite Hyde Park, Natural History Museum or something, don't quote me on it, something like that. Anyway, hubby used to work just down the road from there, so we got free parking at work and we used to go in there quite a lot. It was our favourite place for a few years because there's so much to see. You could spend days in there and not see everything. So this is one trip when we went and saw the dinosaurs in there, which is really cool. So everything I have is dinosaur themed. My embellishments I have are some Scrap FX wood chip dinosaurs. I painted these in a, I don't know, like a beigey sort of colour. They are plain wood chip, but I painted them. Yep, and then, oh, there's a couple more little dinosaurs. Anyway, gosh, it's late. Maybe I need a coffee. Alright, now, a previous video, yesterday I think, possibly, I don't know, I used these leaves for a layout where we were pretending to surf, and these were left over from that page, so I'm using them again already, so that's pretty handy. And then I thought it needed some more colour because everything's very much the one colour, so I just die cut some cream ferns and some of these pod thing leaf things, so I had them as well to use. The title on this, there's a title and a subtitle. I'm just going to use the stickers from here. There's quite a lot. This doesn't open, which is annoying. Does it open? Wait a minute. Oh, it might. Oh, look at that, it does. Does it? Is it meant to? I don't know. This is donkey years old. Maybe it's not meant to. Anyway, this is from 2010. Reminisce 2010 Diorama. Yeah, this is old. So these probably have very little stick on them. But anyway, these are going to be my headings and my subtitle. And also whatever this little bit is up here, probably one of the stickers up there. I don't know. I haven't planned anything. I've just picked out what I'm using. And the papers are from the same range. So we've got this big dinosaurs and raw and trees. On the other side is just like trees. Then I've got a stripy one upside down with dinosaurs on it, and then bigger dinosaurs on the back. So because of the sketch has so many pieces here, I can't use really the 4 pieces of designer series paper because they are very busy, and being together they'll just look horrible. So I'm going to break them up with some plain cardstock. That's the same colour that I matted the photos in, but I've got another sheet of it, and then a cream and a brown. Well, 2 creams and a brown. So I'll probably make my base page the cream, and then I'll use these in between the pattern paper for the strips. I have here an ink pad, Sahara sand. I don't know how it's going to come out, but what I wanted to do was ink around some of these leaves because they could be too stark compared to everything else. But I did need something lighter on there. And I meant to grab crumb cake, but I couldn't find it. So I've got Sahara sand. Oh, it's not looking very healthy. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so that is what I'm doing. Let's get this page started. Okay, there's my finished page. I think it came together quite nicely. The paper wasn't too overwhelming because you don't see a lot of it, but it was very busy paper. That is the sketch, and I'm pretty sure mine looks like the sketch. I've used the strips of paper. I've got a photo, it might be a different size, but it's the same orientation. I have the strip up the top and this little bit here, and then I added an embellishment cluster over here to give a bit of detail. Down here I have my title and my subtitle and an embellishment cluster with the two little things here. Journaling won't ever be normally on the front of my layouts. I usually put it in a pocket in the back, but there you go. And if you're following along on this series and you're watching other people and you think my pages are different, the products I use are different because I have really old stash and I'm working my way through it. So that is why you won't see hardly any new product on my pages, because I've got a really old stash and I'm working my way through it. So anyway, that is today's page. I'm really happy with how it came out. So if you've liked this page, give me the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hit that notify bell so that you know when my next page comes out or my next video comes out. And then make sure you watch the playlist below for everyone else who's playing along in this series, because there are some amazing pages being created. Thank you so much for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.